What's good, ladies and gents? Welcome back to the channel. I hope you're doing well. So we're going to check out some of the coins that could pump massively 2023 because we want to build a diverse crypto portfolio. That's what's seriously important, so we can actually exploit and expose ourselves to multiple sectors in the cryptocurrency space. So we're going to have a look today. We can see global market cap is 1.07 trillion. We're back in the $1 trillion mark. Things look good. We're going to have an exploration here of some different crypto assets like layer 1s, layer 2s, meme coins, DeFi, and we're going to kind of scale them as to where we think they can go. And this is a spreadsheet we can look at every now and then and sort of monitor the gains or the performance of these particular coins, and we can move them around depending on what happens and how they are moving in the market. So let's have a little look. This could be quite a long video, to be honest, but we can see altcoins are doing exceptionally well. 23k Bitcoin. We are starting to hover now into an alt season, just very slightly. We're ranked 43 here on the alt season index. So we've kind of pumped out of the Bitcoin season. We've had a bit of an impulse. I don't know if we're going to see a full-on alt season itself, but it's seriously exciting to see what is actually going on around here. So let's check it out, guys, as we are still trying to retest that $600 billion altcoin market capital valuation in the crypto space. And I'm very keen to see if we can get there. Very keen to see if we get there indeed. So yeah, some coins we can look at. Firstly, artificial intelligence and blue chips. I mean, let's have a look, because we looked at one recently. It was Agix, Singularity Net. So this one here has a market cap of 710 billion, rank 68. I still think it's got a 10x potential over here, guys. So for that very reason, you know, for artificial intelligence, Agix is going to go there as a blue chip now for the future. I think we can see this really take off in the long term. Layer 1 coins for blue chips, we're probably going to stick things in there like Solana, you know, Avalanche. I think coins like this could do really well. Layer 2, Loopring, Optimism, Polygon, Matic. They're of course going to go in there for me. They're all blue chips, you know. Meme coins, what we're looking at. Well, we've got Tamadoge. Tamadoge was a pre-sale coin, still got a low market cap. I think we've got maybe 25x potential right there for Tamadoge. Tamadoge did an amazing job. It did really well, and you can see now they've got their arcade, their play to earn facilities. Everything looks really good. Looking at Tamadoge here on market cap, 22.6 million. 10x is 220 million. Well, 100x, folks, it's going to take it to $2.2 billion. So it's probably even realistic that we could see Tamadoge do 100x in the future. Just very hard to say what could happen. Of course, we've got Shiba, we've got Dogecoin as a blue chip, because when we look at the top meme coins, they're the highest in terms of their market capital. So there's certainly something to look at as well. Blue chips, again, for artificial intelligence, I think Agix is going to be the #1, the key player for the next few months. It's really going to kick off. If we look at CMC layer 1 coins, we can kind of understand which layer 1 coins are pumping the most. So let's follow on Coin Codex for now. Tron TRX is a big one. XRP, of course, a big one. Let's have a look at layer 1 infrastructure over here, guys. There's nothing wrong with that. So this is how I'm researching. I'm looking at layer 1 blockchains. I'm understanding what they are. Usually you do get a category where you can actually find exactly the layer 1s. I think it is this right here. So this will do. Polkadot, Solana, Algorand. Algorand should probably be in there. Harmony 1 as well should probably be in there. Avalanche definitely in there if I didn't put it in there already. Yeah, Solana, Avalanche, super bullish on. I think I will put 1 in there, but it's not really a blue chip anymore. It's more of a mid cap. So Harmony 1 has got 25x potential in my opinion. We've got low caps which do 50x potential right there for layer 1s. Let's have a little look at some other coins. Harmony 1, $342 million market cap. 4chain, Katha, Algorand, $2 billion market cap. So let's have a look at these in ascending order right here in terms of the market capital. IoTech, haven't heard of that one before. Carver, I've heard of that. That could actually potentially be a 100x here because it's got a $400 million market cap. 40 billion could take it to 100x. Do I think it will happen? Probably not. But I do think it's worth putting cover here with Harmony 1 at least. Shiba, Dogecoin, Tamadoge. We had Bonkcoin, which looked pretty fantastic as well. I think that can sit in here with Tamadoge. We've also got some DeFi and Metaverse. So how about some of the top DeFi coins? DeFi coins on coin market cap. Let's have a look. We're going to see a list here of some of the top DeFi coins, guys, like Chainlink, Graph, Phantom, Aave. Absolutely crucial to have these sort of coins in your portfolio. Not financial advice, of course, but Aave, in my opinion, it's a blue chip. It is more of a financial service because of the collateral and the lending platform, so I'm going to stick it there as well. But I think that really does deserve to be there. FTM corrected really, really hard. If we look at Phantom right now, guys, we can see this came down so low. It was trading at like $3 before, and now we're sitting at 55 cents with a $1.5 billion market cap. 10x potential. Yeah, 10x potential for me. What else we got going on? Metaverse. So for Metaverse, we're going to look at some pre-sales. We've got the robot era pre-sale. Also got this one linked down below. Certainly worth looking at because Metaverse play to earn NFT sector is still massively growing at the moment. And looking at the Alt-Feast index, we're seeing a lot of micro cap coins really pump at the moment. So this, in my opinion, certainly deserves to be there. It's a planet rebuilding world, guys. NFTs, you can use land as NFTs as well. It looks really cool. So we're going to put robot era up there in the Metaverse sector and the pre-sales as a potential 100xer. Looking at the pre-sales, move to earn, play to earn, but we could look at the play to earn. We're going to have Meme Masters Guild certainly in there. Going to mix that up in the basket as well. I think that certainly should be included for a diverse portfolio, especially in the pre-sale world, which means short-term gains, getting in at a lower unit cost compared to other people as well. So Memag, play to earn guild, they've got loads of games ready to be deployed already. There's some seriously cool NFTs that we can see right here as well. So very bullish on this one. Memag is going to go there in terms of the play to earn coins. We're going to stick MetaMasters right there. Everybody, I think it certainly deserves to be at least there in my opinion. Now blue chips, crypto. What about just like normal coins, just complete blue chip coins? We'd be looking at things like Bitcoin, Ethereum, got some Cardano, all 10x, very stable potential. So very good to look at these particular coins here for diversity, but also for security, and in the sense they're not too volatile. We can trust them. We know who the developers are. We know who the CEOs are. We've got clear white papers, clear roadmaps. We know exactly where the money is going. That's what's really important here. Which other coins can we look at for meme coins? We've got Vita Inu. I think that can sit here with the 25x's. Vita Inu. We've got Doge Chain as well. They can sit there together. Big potential. 100% sure what could happen. But these are some of my favorite coins. Now 1000x coins. It happens. If you bought things like Harmony One, Phantom, Polygon Matic, before they got big, you actually do see 1000x occur. Is really insane. We can do a move to earn token next. For me, StepN, GMT, these are sort of your blue chip ones. I think they've already hit the euphoric peak of their market cycle. So we can put StepN here. We can put GMT there as well. I don't really think we're going to see them do more than a 10x. We do have a pre-sale, which is a move to earn token, revolutionizing the world of move to earn, known as Fight Out. This is where you can actually earn money in the gym. It's also linked down below for you. Currently, one fight token is $0.02. It's going to launch at 0.033, so that's an immediate 50% increase in price from the current levels. Price is going up in 10 hours, so Fight Out certainly does deserve a place in the spotlight. 100x potential on a pre-sale side of things. Of course, nothing I say is financial advice, guys. Never risk more than you can afford to lose either. We don't know the future. Financial services, ooh, it's going to be XRP in here for sure. Massive potential in XRP, guys, as we know could do some crazy stuff in the future. What else can we look at? There's so much potential out there. Floki, I think Floki Inu. This is a potential meme coin that could still do some great stuff for the future. I mean, look at that. It's got to retest this euphoric high of the past. If there's enough community, morale, and utility and reasons to get into this particular coin, we could still see Floki Inu do some crazy stuff. So for this reason, I will probably put Floki in with these guys in the green category. Floki, I think I like you. I like a bit of Floki. Now, how about things like Hedera, HBAR? Also some really upside potential coins. It's ranked 36 at the moment with a $2 billion market cap. If we look at the market cap history, came up to 6.5 billion before. So I think we could see a 5 to 10x for this particular coin. Era, H bar, certainly a big one to be looking at in my opinion. And it's so efficient. If we look at the transactions, the cost per transaction on IDEA in terms of the kilowatts or the watts per transaction, it's minuscule. You will never ever notice it. So for that particular reason, I think it deserves a place here. Especially, I just think it's so efficient. So 25x from where it is, not very realistic, but definitely stable solution, a stable choice, something that could do really, really well. Play to earn, 10x, 25x's. We got Magic, a really cool ecosystem that's recently pumped. I'll show you this one as well, Magic CMC. Been pumping massively recently. Treasure.lol is the website. This is really, really good for play to earn as well. I mean, check it out. Loads of different games already deployed, retro gaming. And I think it's just a no-brainer. This coin is pumping a lot and it's got a long way, a big road to recovery. But it's at like its peak right now. It's at $400 million. So we could see this 10x in the future. That's why it's going to sit there. Play to earn section as a blue chip, along with Sand, along with Gala. I think these particular ecosystems have huge potential, guys. So Gala, Mana. Yeah, Mana is going to go in there too. It's a 10xer. They've already done some crazy things, so we're not going to see 100x from this current level. Metaverse tokens, Robot Era. Well, Sandbox is kind of more of a metaverse token, really, isn't it? So we could probably put that in there. Or is that Decentraland? I can't remember. Either way, we're going to get it correct at some point. DeFi, best DeFi coins. I think Uniswap's up there. I think we can still see a huge pump for this coin in the future, as well as the Pancake Swap ecosystem. Metaverse, move to earn coins, Step NGMT, fight out 1000x's. They don't really, they're so hard to find. They really, really are so difficult to find, guys. Blue chips, Bitcoin, artificial intelligence. Loki's doing pretty well. Let's have a little look at our top 100 coins again. See what's really moving over the last 24 hours. The graph, Singularity, that's artificial intelligence. Fetch.ai. Now this could be an interesting one for artificial intelligence. $449 million market cap. Check out the website, see what's going on. Autonomous agent technology, peer-to-peer applications with automation and AI. It's going to have to go in maybe a blue chip. 400 million, 10x makes 4 billion. But if we're talking about 2030, it's possible that we could see it go much further. So we could put it in the 25x territory. I really do think it has potential for the future. Just looking at the data here. Yeah, it wants to get back to where it was in the peak of a bull run, and that's really interesting to see the popularity as a trending sector in cryptocurrency. DeFi, we've got Bitcoin, Ethereum already ticked off. Optimism, absolutely optimism, guys. This is one we should all be looking at. It's already there, silly me. We've got Engine as well, that's a big one. Engine CMC. Rank 85, 481 million. So we're talking about a 10 to 20x by the next crypto bull run, in my honest opinion. NFTs, you can earn and trade. Do I think Engine deserves to be a 10 to 20? I think we could see a 10x for Engine. So we're going to stick it in the DeFi space, in my opinion. Engine coin right here. Definitely a blue chip, 25x potential. Oh yeah, guys, a lot going on with these coins right now. Make some of these smaller, shall we? What do you think? Comment down below what you think can seriously happen for these coins. I'm keen to hear back your thoughts. What are you wanting to hold this particular bull run? What are you looking to accumulate? That's what we really want to start talking about. Low cap 50x artificial intelligence. We've got some layer 1s that we need to also fill in here, and layer 2s we need to fill in some more. Filled in some meme coins, filled in some DeFi, and already we're looking at like 20 coins that could seriously make a strong portfolio. I think blue chips again. Let's go to Litecoin here. Litecoin deserves to be in the spotlight, in my honest opinion. 50x, 25x. I'd say here for another meme coin we could include Samoyed. Certainly worth putting in. DeFi again, synthetics coin. Let's add in Syncs. got Uniswap already on DeFi, I think. Yep, Uniswap, PancakeSwap. Uniswap is a king, really, isn't it? Like, it's not going anywhere. It's going to stay here forever, guys. Play to earn. Axie Infinity. Axie. DFK, DeFi Kingdoms. Toad Network, I think, could possibly get a 50x in the future. Check that out, guys. It's pretty interesting. Cardano, we don't want to miss out Cardano. Yeah, we've got Cardano in there. H-bar Ape, Solana is already in there as well. There's a lot of coins here. So we've got a good batch of eggs here. So if we actually put $100 in each one, or even just $20 or $50, and we held for a few years, that's what we're speculating. Because even if 80% of the coins do really well, and let's say 20% of the coins do really bad, it offsets the negative downside movement. So it's all about that diversity, because you can't just rely on one coin. One coin might 5x, another coin might 20x. It's just really difficult to truly time the market. So Chili's going up, got the graph going up. Fetch over here, AI coin, looking really, really nice. Good to see some of these coins pumping. What about the weekly? X Rent Token, Optimism, Frax, Synthetics, Shiba. Yeah, so a lot of coins, so much variation, guys. And we are really looking at a huge potential bull run for the future. I'm talking massive altcoin valuation, because the altcoin is valued at 2.5 trillion by the next crypto bull run, which would roughly be a good 5x from the current levels. This is excluding the valuation of Bitcoin at the moment. You can see Bitcoin is now still in a buy zone. So for long-term accumulation, it could be a good idea. And the last time we were in this dark blue section, which was with COVID-19 in 2020 and 2019, we just saw an uptrend following. So we might see that also happen. And, you know, the trend is your friend, as they say. So fingers crossed we can see some crazy things happen here, guys. If you're new to the channel, get yourself in to my Discord down below. It's a great place to learn. There's hundreds of people in the server. It's worth checking us out. Come say hi, don't be shy, and speak to some of the moderators and some of the people here that invest in pre-sales, NFTs, they're trading. We've got competitions, trading competitions, chess competitions, much more. It's all community. It's all about community, and that's what's important. So please, guys, do get yourself into my Discord channel down below. If you do want to support as well as a patron, I can show you some different tiers that I've got available right over here. 70 patrons at the moment. We've got VIPs, we've got crypto gods, we've got crypto elites as well if you're more on a tight budget. But basically, it will give you early access to pre-sales as well as insider information to the pre-sales. You're going to get leverage trading signals too, and much more, as well as a free ebook. So check it out, guys. Links down below to pre-sales, links down below to Discord, links down below to the Patreon. Helps us grow as a community, and it also helps support me as well as a small YouTuber. So here are some of the coins that we could look at in terms of category. I think, you know, there's a lot of variety here. Really thrive on just a few good coins, a couple blue chips, a few mid caps, one or two low caps, maybe 1, 2 or 3 pre-sales, and then 1 or 2 maximum micro cap coins. That could be enough to make a very lucrative future. Anyway, guys, well, thank you for watching. If you're new to the channel, do smash the subscribe button, like, comment, and let me know what you want to see in the near future. Bye for now, guys.